Did somebody say Choc Ripple? The Choc Ripple is a simple and elegant Australian dessert that is super easy to make. We will essentially only need two ingredients, which are Thickened Cream and Arnott's Choc Ripple Biscuit. Get yourself a bowl and add the Thickened Cream to it. I did the whole 600ml bottle and I had plenty of leftover. To this, add a quarter cup of powdered sugar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, get yourself a electric beater and whisk it all up. You can also do this with a whisk if you have big forearms. Whisk until you get a consistency of stiff peaks. Make yourself some instant espresso and add some sugar to it. Now we decide what kind of shape we want our Choc Ripple cake to be in. Some people do circular, but I decided to go in the shape of a log. Choose yourself a tray and layer on some whipped cream as a base. Next, get 2 biscuits and dunk them in your espresso. Make sure it doesn't stain the espresso for too long, otherwise your biscuit will crumble up. Using espresso will enhance the chocolate flavor even more. Spread the whipped cream between the 2 biscuits and stack them on your layer of whipped cream. Repeat this process until you reach the end of your tray or you don't have any more biscuits. Now add some more whipped cream to the tops and sides and spread everything out nice and evenly. Once you clean everything up, it should look something like this. Now you can decorate your Choc Ripple log. I decided to go with strawberries, raspberries and blueberries, as well as some crumbled up Choc Ripple biscuits. Once you finish topping everything up, put it in the fridge and leave it for about 4 hours before you guys eat it. Now enjoy the next few seconds of us topping our Choc Ripple cake.
Yeah!